Welcome back everybody. So as you can see right there, we are using the CI3 negative rake, which is the finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we are going to show you how you can utilize your scraps to make a little bit of profit. So right now we are just going to shape this bowl to our desired shape, and we've switched out to the rougher. We're going to flatten off the bottom.
I've made all the mistakes and I've dealt with the heartbreak.
There we go.
But I think that I found my way. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone.
Alright, so now we're going to use a Sharpie and the Easy Wood chuck template to mark out for a mortise. There we go. And the first tool we're going to use is the detailer. Flatten it all off and clean it all out. And there you go.
I can remember carving our names onto that tree.
Alright, so now we are going to do some sanding from 80 grit to 240 grit. I will say all tools and cutters will be linked down in the description. I'm going to clean it off using a bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. There you go, get a quick glimpse of what it's going to look like. And now we're going to do a bit of wet sanding. And then we're going to go from 320 grit all the way up to 1000. So we've transitioned now, and now we're at 1000 grit.
Yeah, I think that I'm finding my way. Thought it'd be gold.
There you go.
Crossing the line and don't look back.
And now we're going to put on some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Buff this all in until you have a clean paper towel, and you'll go back to having the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There we go, a few final wipes. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to get to the inside. So first of all, we're going to flatten the top off using the finisher, still sticking to the negative rake.
Should we call it quits and let go? I have cried many times over you.
There's the detailer.
What a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. Maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't want to feel this heartache. Every time you let me down, I get to thinking I don't even know why, even though.
There's some of them ribbons. Alright, we're going to use the standard cutter on the #1 hollower just to get rid of that big old chunk of wood in the middle.
Is it just me? Do you feel the same? Were you up all night thinking you should maybe go your own way? Or should we stay? Try to make things right, cause I get a little down.
Alright, so we've started to feel a bit of resin at the bottom. So now we're going to swap out for the negative rake. There you go. And now we're going to clear the rest. There's the rougher, just to flatten the bottom off. There you go. Remove the tail stop, or the tool rest I should say, and give it another sand. There we go. And clean it out with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And back to some wet sanding up to 1000. Go, just getting some final wipes in here.
Take me anywhere that you want.
There you go.
I don't even care if we
And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Exactly the same as before. Buff it in until you have a clean paper towel.
shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my eyes.
There we go. Some more final wipes there.
Then I might miss a moment of you.
There we go.
And as long as the sun shines.
Alright, we're going to do some buffing with the drill now. So I've wiped on the buffing compounds onto the buffers.
Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no.
So that is one way to utilise your scraps into a bit of profit. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.